Genuine is a global producer. We do have several customers that ship out of Dimension around the world. And then most of our product is East Coast, Pennsylvania.
Normal species for us are cherry, red oak, ash, white oak, hard maple, soft maple. They're our predominant species. Typical age range is between 60 and 180 years. Typically our foresters out in the field, they are going through and managing the timber on the growth of it. So they don't just go in and cut every tree down. We selective harvest. We pull the mature trees out so the younger ones can have a potential to grow.
As far as what we consume and use is like 20,000 board foot a day, but what that means is probably a truckload and a half.
Some of these logs behind us here go into veneer, which is where they slice it real thin and apply that to plywood. Other products are run through our sawmill and made into lumber, which is then turned into furniture parts, flooring, kitchen cabinets. The byproduct is used to make paper, heating pellets, bedding for farms, for mulch around landscaping. So 100% of that log, these logs behind us, are utilized.
The pros, this is always, I mean, it keeps you busy. It's a quick day, you know, you're never standing around doing nothing. The cons is you're never standing around doing nothing. I mean, I work with them all. They're all fun to run, actually, for the most part. It's kind of like a big video game sitting in there sometimes.
I think what's cool is it's a bunch of different people brought together for one common goal.
Very glad that I'm in the wood industry such that it's a renewable resource, and what we're doing today is building the forest for our future generations to come.
Just the whole process of taking something from its natural state and redefining it into a finished product.